Hi there, I'm Hein Nguyen, a digital marketing expert with over 10 years of experience building and optimizing automated marketing systems across platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use MKT CARE to automatically comment on posts of your target customer audience based on UID, user ID, a highly effective yet underutilized strategy in the world of Facebook marketing. First, let's clarify. What does comment by UID actually mean? UID stands for User ID, a unique identifier that Facebook assigns to every user. If you have a list of UIDs that represent your potential customers, for example, people who have commented on a competitor's post, joined a niche Facebook group, or followed a specific fan page, then you can use MKT CARE to automatically comment on their public posts, making your brand appear naturally and consistently in their feeds. This is what I call invisible remarketing through strategic commenting, and it's incredibly effective, especially when paired with the right message and targeting. Now, let me walk you through the step-by-step process to run this campaign inside the MKT CARE software. Step 1. Open MKT CARE and import your Facebook accounts. Once the software is open, go to Account Management and add your Facebook accounts. These will be used to send out the comments. Make sure these are well-warmed accounts. They should have profile pictures, recent posts, some friends, and a history of activity. I recommend grouping your accounts based on niche. One group for beauty seeding, one for baby products, another for finance, etc. Step 2. Prepare your list of potential customer UIDs. You can use MKT UID, another tool in the same ecosystem, to scrape UIDs based on members of a specific group, commenters on a specific post, fans of a target page. Once collected, save this list as a .txt file, or import it directly into MKT CARE. Step 3. Write your comment scripts. Go to the Comment Script Manager and write 5 to 10 different comments that sound natural and casual. For example, "I've actually tried this product. Totally worth it. Highly recommend." "Looks like a good deal. You should check it out before it's gone." Important note: keep the tone casual and real, not salesy. You can use spin content or variables so that the software randomly mixes the content, which helps avoid Facebook's spam detection. Step 4. Set up the UID comment campaign. Go to the Spam Comment by UID feature inside the software. Import your list of UIDs, select the Facebook account group that will perform the commenting, assign your comment script, and set a delay between comments. I recommend 30 to 60 seconds per action to stay safe. Then click Start, and the software will automatically find the latest public posts made by each UID and drop your comment underneath. Step 5. Monitor and optimize your campaign. After 30 to 60 minutes of running, check your results. MKT CARE will show you how many UIDs were successfully reached, how many comments were posted, which failed, and what content was used. From here, you can refine your content, switch up your accounts, and scale your system even further. Now, here are some important pro tips from my experience running this at scale. Don't let one account comment on too many posts in a day. Keep it at 5 to 7 to stay under the radar. Write your comments to sound like real experiences: emotional, human, relatable. Run your campaigns during Facebook's peak hours: 8 to 9 a.m., 12 to 1 p.m., and 8 to 10 p.m. Segment your strategies by niche. Use different scripts and UID lists for beauty, health, finance, parenting, etc. Final thoughts. Using MKT CARE to spam comment by UID is one of the smartest and most cost-effective ways to generate visibility and organic impressions from real, targeted Facebook users. As long as your UID list is qualified, the software will do the heavy lifting, fast, safe, and fully automated. If you'd like help installing MKT CARE, building your UID targeting strategy, or scaling this into a full system across dozens or hundreds of accounts, feel free to contact me directly. WhatsApp +849616897768 Telegram @hainguyenmkt hainguyenmkt.86. Facebook, https www.facebook.com hainguyenmkt.86. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I've got tons of practical videos coming up on automation, Facebook ads, and scaling online income with smart tools. I'm Hein Nguyen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Before you go and